honorable members, we must take charge of our own development and our own prosperity. We must learn to mobilize domestic resources. We must learn that we can build our resources by mobilizing domestic resources. And we know, economists tell us that investment is a function of savings. You cannot invest what you don't have. So we are learning lessons from one another. And I'm very proud that my sister Samia Suluhu and I, at this moment in the history of our two nations, we are working together closely to bring the people of East Africa together, to eliminate what has constrained us for many years, unnecessary suspicion. Our future is tied together. Our destiny is one. The success of Tanzania is dependent on the progress of Kenya, and the progress of Kenya is dependent on the success of Tanzania. We are one people. Once again, I thank Her Excellency Samia Suluhu Hassan for inviting me. I thank the Right Honorable Speaker and the distinguished members of this House for your honor for me to address this Parliament and for the friendship that makes this partnership not only possible, but enduring. Asanteni sana na Mungu awabariki.
Mheshimiwa Rais wa Kenya, lazima tukubali address yako kwenye August House hii